Um, received these from influencer to give it a try. Well, for one, when they get warm, they stick together, which is a little bit of an inconvenience, but not the end of the world. The texture of them is a very firm gummy. If you have any dental issues, these might be a little firmer for you. Flavor-wise, they're not overly vitamin-y flavored. They taste okay. They're what you would expect. So, yeah, we've used about half of this so far, my spouse and I. And yeah, I think my spouse is going to get these again when they're finished. So, big thumbs up there. I would not, just because they're difficult for me to chew because of my dental issues. But yeah, she would get these again. Big thumbs up from us, and would recommend to others, unless you have dental issues. Then I would say try something else.